Hi, I'm Scott TenBrink. I'm the Civic Program Manager at SI, and I teach SI 538, Citizen Interaction Design. This course explores ways to foster civic engagement through the use of information tools and services. We'll have some readings about civic tech and discussion about information solutions in the public realm, but mostly we'll be learning through doing. We'll go from ambiguous problems to clear solutions in a very practical and hands-on way. This means we'll be moving along pretty fast, and the path forward won't always be clear. These are the core components of the student experience of the course. You'll work in assigned teams of 3 to 5 students. You'll partner with staff in local government or in a community organization, and you'll work on a real civic problem that they've identified. At the end of the semester, you're going to deliver a functioning product, not just a recommendation report. This semester, we're going to be working with the city of Ferndale, Michigan, and possibly other organizations in the area. We've worked with Ferndale staff in the past, including the city manager, the city clerk, and heads of almost every department. We work on all kinds of projects in this course. They might include things like facilitating access to absentee voting, engaging people in anti-racist policies, and managing social distancing. Due to COVID-19, a few things are different this year. First of all, the class will include a lot more remote and virtual components. We'll learn and practice how to work together remotely. Students can participate in this class completely remotely. Active participation during scheduled class times, however, is still required. We will not travel to the community this year. Instead, we're going to rely on video conferencing and other remote tools. So who should take this class? Well, first of all, this class is for everybody. The title makes it sound like a UX class, but this class is for anyone interested in how information can solve civic challenges. The course is intended for master's students, and undergrad seniors can request an override. It's a great course for students looking to demonstrate their information skills or learn them on the fly. The course offers real-world experience and deliverables that are great for portfolios and job interviews. The results of this course are going to be great for people looking for an internship or exploring job opportunities. To wrap up, I'm going to ask one of our CID alumni to share her experience in the course.
Hi, my name is Deirdre Herstrit, and I'm a 2017 grad of the MSI program. I'm now a user researcher at Code for America. I didn't have any interest in doing UX as a career until CID. I think I've always had a really strong bend toward projects that help folks for whom technology and information is not traditionally built. So the city of Ferndale came to SI and said, we have this problem with rats, can you help? We were like, sure. So through a series of one-on-one interviews and guerrilla research, we talked to citizens of Ferndale, we talked to city staff of Ferndale, and figured out that it actually wasn't really a rat problem, it was an information problem. Rats are going to exist in every city, I'm sorry to say, but how people communicate and feel in control of that is a different thing that information can solve to some degree. So we created an SMS bot, so citizens could text in saying, I saw a rat, what do I do? And we had a series of different prompts that the bot could allow citizens to choose. Do you want information about how to deal with rats in your community? Do you want to be connected with the sort of like rat czar of Ferndale? All in an effort to sort of help citizens feel more in control. And I have on my portfolio, my online portfolio, Rat Chat as one of these central projects. Here's a way in which I can demonstrate my knowledge of user research principles and government technology. Before this call, I was talking to a colleague who interviewed me during that time. And she said, "Oh, School of Information?" I said, "Yeah." She said, "Oh, Rat Chat." I was like, "What do you mean?" She's like, "Oh yeah, I read about Rat Chat on your profile or your portfolio, and it was obvious that you wanted to work here. There was something about this." Yeah, she was really excited about Rat Chat, and I think it was a really clear demonstration of my commitment to this field, which is now something I do full time.
You can register for SI 538 through Wolverine Access, just like any other course. If you have questions about the course, email me, Scott, at dstb@umich.edu. or visit my office hours during the week. I look forward to the chance to work with you.